Hey friends, what's up? And in this video, I want to tell you what you need to add to the soil in your little cups before transplanting seedlings into them. And also, if you have already transplanted your seedlings into cups, then you will definitely need to add this fertilizer to your cups if you haven't added anything nutritious to them. Since seedlings grow in cups for approximately 2 months, and in order to ensure their proper growth, they will require adequate nutrition. We never add mineral fertilizer under any circumstances, as young seedling roots will burn and they will quickly die. To begin, here are a few guidelines on how to prepare a mixture for transplanting seedlings. I am utilizing one part of soil that is purchased from a store for this purpose. He is already all dressed up. He is a bit of a killjoy. He is fluffy. But I am adding 2 additional portions of soil from the garden, which I previously filtered. So it turns out the ratio is 1 to 2. Gotta mix everything up. And at that moment, I consistently incorporate 1 teaspoon of banana powder into each and every one of the cups that I prepare. I prepare it myself. The way I do it, I'll demonstrate to you now. When you all buy bananas and eat them, don't throw away the peels, but completely dry them out and put them in the blender. And with the assistance of it, create such a marvelous and nourishing banana powder from a banana peel. Before transplanting the seedlings, add 1 TSP of the substance to the cup. This will make it easier for us to thoroughly mix it to the very bottom, ensuring that we have all the nutrients from the soil settled at the base of the glass container. And this banana powder will be useful for our seedlings because it contains starch, calcium, potassium, magnesium, vitamins A, B, C, as well as nitrogen, phosphorus, and iron. Although compared to mineral fertilizers, it may not have as many of these micro and macro elements, it is exactly what our young seedlings, with their delicate roots, need. The main thing is that it's a fertilizer, like banana powder. It's totally organic and safe for our young seedlings. And if you have already transplanted your seedlings, then there is nothing to worry about here. We take 1 spoonful of banana powder and add it to the cup. But you absolutely can't leave it like that. You gotta mix in some banana powder with the soil, first and foremost. And it also requires to be covered on top with a thin layer of clean soil. That's how it had to be done, because as I mentioned, it is pure organic, and when we water our seedlings and the banana powder remains on top, then fungus can develop on the surface, because there will be an abundance of food for it. And that's how we buried him. The ground and surface will always be clean. So friends, be sure to add this organic matter to the seedling cups, and it will quickly start growing and gaining vegetative mass after transplanting. Leaves will be green, seedlings will be lush. If info in this video was useful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. Wish you a successful day, and we'll see each other in more videos.